Hello everyone. Today I will be discussing about the Starlink project, uh, which is actually executed by SpaceX, or the SpaceX is the parent of Starlink, and this Starlink is the project which confirms that we are entering into the new next generation high speed communication systems into the world, where high speed communication systems will become common. So we'll go to the next slide. The agenda of today is that we will be discussing about what is Starlink and who was the founder of it, the vision of SpaceX for Starlink, its progress and accomplishments, and Falcon 9 flight description. So Falcon 9 was a flight spacecraft on which the satellites were the low orbit satellites. That means the satellites which are deployed on the just 550 kilometers above the Earth's surface. So they were taken to the low orbit on the Falcon 9. So it is actually a reusable. It has stages which are usable and which is efficient, and this also SpaceX is the one which has created Falcon 9 as well. So now we'll go to the next slide. So what is Starlink? So Starlink is actually a satellite internet constellation which the SpaceX is building, and it aims at providing high-speed internet connectivity to all over the globe. So the company's main objective is to create a to cover the earth with a blanket of satellites, as you can see in the image, so that high speed internet connection becomes common to each and every region. So these are the low orbit satellite constellation. So can anybody guess that who might be the founder of SpaceX, which is or Starlink?
Yeah, it must be Elon Musk, right?
Yeah, absolutely correct. So he is none other than Elon Musk. So Elon Musk is a well-known entrepreneur and innovator, and he is also known for disrupting many industries, and one of which is the telecommunication industry. So under which Starlink is there. So now we'll move on to the next slide. So the guiding principles. What are the guiding principles behind Starlink mission? So actually, the successful what are the successes is that the recent success that Starlink has embarked is like the it has recently sent 60 satellite fleet to the Earth's lower orbit as of September 2020, and it further aims to deploy 1440 satellites in the end of 2020 2021 in the end of 2021, and the vision of the company is to cover the whole earth with the satellite with a blanket of satellite. That means everyone is accessing their Starlink internet. So that is what, and to provide one more aim is that to provide a high speed internet to the areas where the population density is lower, where the wired connections do not feel to give connectivity because of the non-viable conditions. Now we'll talk about the prominent accomplishment which was embarked by SpaceX. Before the starting of the SpaceX, before the starting of Starlink, SpaceX had actually given a proposal to the Federal Communication Commission of United States. So there, this was actually a proposal for rural digitization. So and actually SpaceX won the actually a 9.6 billion dollar is allocated by USA for that project for that rural digitization project, and from that 85 million dollars were which was a major share was won by SpaceX Starlink project proposal. So, and as you can see in this proposal also, they have clearly mentioned that the 7.5K, only 7.5K satellites are allocated to the urban densities, whereas in the rural areas are the places where the most satellite locations are there. So this is the map of USA, so you can see the satellite locations, and these are the Starlink satellite fleet after deploying. So it will look somewhat like this. So now we'll move on to the next slide. So this slide actually contains the flight maneuver or the Falcon. So the Falcon 9, how does it launch and how the payload gets separated and how does it reach back to the Earth? So like the launch, then the ascent, then the first stage is actually separated, and the second and the third, the second stage along with the payload. So from the after, so from here they are separated, and the second stage with the payload leaves out, escapes out of the Earth's orbit, and the first stage does a flip maneuver. After that, it finds the perfect landing point, which it was pre-programmed, and at that place it enters the Earth's orbit, and then it lands at its perfect spot. So this is the autonomous drone ship landing, so which helps in reusing the payload, reusing the stage one. So which was a major accomplishment by SpaceX, and because of this, it is also in talks with US Army for using Falcon 9 for major Air Force operations. Now here I have actually this is a video about this is a short video about the first Falcon successful flight. Like the stage one returns successfully to the Earth. It was on 22nd December 2015. So I hope you enjoyed.
Watch history in the making as SpaceX makes the first ever reverse landing of a first stage rocket after successfully sending 11 satellites into orbit. The Falcon is landed. Landing operators moving to procedure 11.1. The move has been likened to throwing a pencil over the Empire State Building, then landing it on its end. Shoebox-sized pad in a windstorm. The crowd of space fans at Cape Canaveral went absolutely berserk.
So I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed, and I hope that I was successful in telling you about Starlink and about SpaceX. Thank you.
హలో సౌండ్ వినిపించింది